These are the notes for 7.4 net pay. Net pay is the amount of take-home pay after deductions. So once you've paid your taxes, you've paid for, so you have your federal and provincial income tax, your employment insurance, your Canadian pension plan, medical services plan, any union and professional dues, any retirement savings. There could be other things that also come off your pay. So once all of those deductions have come off, net pay is how much money actually gets deposited into your bank account that you get to take home and spend. So most of the time, when people talk about how much they're paid, they talk about their gross pay. They don't really pay attention to their net pay, but net pay is actually the more important number. That's how much money you really have to spend on things like rent, food, fun. Okay. Jasmine is a single person making $60,000 gross pay per year in BC. For the year, her federal and provincial taxes are $10,491. Her together, her CPP is this, EI is this, and MSP is this. What is her monthly and bi-weekly net pay? So first we need to figure out her net pay per year. So we're going to take her starting salary, $60,000, okay? And we're going to subtract all of these deductions that are coming off of her paycheck. So we have 10,491 minus 2,544 minus 955 minus 900. Okay, so what do we have here? We have gross pay. This is taxes. This one is CPP. This one is EI. And this one is MSP. And when we subtract all of those things, we get 45,110 per year is her net pay per year. Now the question says, what is her monthly and bi-weekly net pay? So for her monthly net pay, we're going to take her pay per year, 110, and we're going to divide it by the number of months, which is 12 months. And so her pay per month is $3,759.17 per month. So that's how much she gets to take home in a month. They also want her bi-weekly net pay. So remember, bi-weekly means every 2 weeks. And when we talk about every 2 weeks, we have 26 pay periods. So we're going to take the same net pay per year. We're going to divide it by 26 pay periods. So we get 1,735 bi-weekly payments. Okay, so these are the two answers that they're looking for. This next question says Jessie's bi-weekly net pay. So we're starting off with her net pay. Okay, this is backwards of what we were just looking at. It says her net pay is this much. She pays yearly personal annual taxes of this, CPP of this, EI of this. What is her hourly gross pay? So before all those deductions, if she works 40 hours a week. Okay, so first we need to know what is her net pay per year. So we're going to take her bi-weekly net pay of $1,876 and we're going to multiply it by 26 pay periods. So we figure out her net pay per year, $4,876 per year. And then we need to add back all the deductions that were taken off. So we have 4,876. We're going to add back her taxes, 10,287. We're going to add back her CPP, 2093, and add back her EI, 678. So this is her net pay. So because we started with net and we're going to gross, this time we're adding instead of subtracting. Taxes, CPP, EI. Okay, so her gross salary is $6,183 834 per year. And this is her gross salary. And then it says, what is her hourly gross pay if she works 40 hours a week? So we have her yearly pay, 61834. We need to divide it by the number of weeks in a year, so 52 weeks. And then she's working 40 hours a week, so we'll divide it by 40 hours. And we get $29.73 per hour is her gross pay. And that's the answer for this one. So now you can go ahead and do the net pay homework questions.